Ladies and gentlemen, I need quiet on the set over there. Alright, now watch this. David, let me in. So now I'm going to use that figure 4 seatbelt to go to an S. But watch what I'm going to do here. No, you guys keep working on the key line because this is not going to be for you guys. This is going to we'll go on to something else. Okay? So from here, hit it down here, go pump up, hit it 1, 2, 3. As I go for this figure 4 seatbelt here, what probably if you want to go for that figure 4 snack or whatever, you just go right across here and grab the forearm and begin to apply pressure. But here I'm going for the seatbelt. Now I'm going to do something similar. Watch this. So I'm going to get into an S, not here. Okay. I am going to look where my hands are. All right. Everything is tight and pull. Now watch this. I'm going to pull him up off the mat. I'm going to look up and I'm going to bring my elbows together. Okay. I'm going to pull him up off the mat. I'm going to look up, engage my hip, and I'm just, what are you feeling? Okay. So look, I got to get his shoulder off the mat. I'm going to pull his shoulder up off the mat, into my chest. I'm going to extend my arms and finish. Okay. This also helps if you're wearing a cup. David, you feel the cup? It's not a cup. sorry, I didn't say it. All right, look. You're going to pull him up, look up, and extend your arms, and you roll it forward as your elbows come together. Looking up just helps engage your hips. So you get here, you're tight, he grabs his other elbow with that dead arm. Yeah, this is where it works. Alright, so try it.
So you're trying to straighten your elbows out?
I gotta lift him, and as I look up, you don't have to look up, but you kind of move your hips under you, and then you're just gonna straighten your arms as you roll this forward, this lock. But it's gotta be more so here. If you're here, and your thumb, it won't work with your thumb. Your thumb is gonna almost like curve. If you're here, it's too much wrist. I wanna be at the wrist palm, okay? So once again, here, 1, 2. And chop him with the chest, push it out, grab my wrist, and I replace my thumb here, right at his wrist palm. So now it's easier for me to turn him. So I'm here, okay? From here, all I'm gonna do is lift it up off the mat. It's like a nut cracking neck thing, okay? But if I do this right here, it won't work. You gotta lift them up, and it's like I'm rolling this. Come up, roll this down. All right, try that. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3.